fake people, fake product. How can you say that? Two things I tried to avoid in my life: be fake people, fake products. Wow. Probably the coffee, yeah. Calories got me scared. No, I'm fine. I just have to like freaking find this. But actually, you're right. We just told me actually it's kind of cool. I'm gonna like try and get something that is, cause she's also very. I just found something. Maybe. Yo, do you think me with septum looks good? Let me show you. Oh my god, like I kind of look like a bull. It's so uncomfortable. Oh my god, it's so uncomfortable. I feel like I have to niece it. Oh, cause my nose is so. It doesn't work. Moo. She used iPad. iPad used a lot of. She used everything. She can use everything to draw. She is like, how to say? She's professional. Just say me. That would make me sneeze now. So yeah, I want to sneeze now. It's itching. That's why I do this. You're trying to. Okay, yes. It's kind of weird. It's so itchy. Oh, I'm gonna put it back. Look, this is the. No, my thing fell. That's why there's no white here. That's the smallest zip bag I ever seen in my life. So cute. Look at it. It's so small. I love small stuff. So cute. What's your favorite place when? Okay. Okay. Real life. What? But why you said no? Okay, she's not into brands, like expensive brands. I would like to have that, Raph. My birthday is also soon. I already got one somewhere. Okay, she never seen a weed baggie before. What? No, I never seen one. They're this small? They're this small. I saw a very cool. Oh my god! I found something that I could give her. Ah! Shit! Guys, Oh my god! Das kann doch nicht sein. Okay, what? What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna go bathroom. Don't you think my setup is very Evangelion right now? I love these colors, like Asuka. I'm an Asuka girl. Okay, I'm gonna go bathroom. Sorry, I'm weird. I'm sorry. It's nighttime and I'm very tired. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm going. I'm back. Can't see urinieren. It was successful. I peed like a liter out. 1 liter almost. Oh yeah. My Discord note thingy. I did it! You're in! Oh, Taff. You're also in, Taff. Oh, Sigil. Oh, you're already in. Welcome into my channel. There is still some people that hasn't managed to join the Discord yet. It's okay. You too? Me too? You too. Elside, high five. That was a fast. High five. Can I be in the... Yeah, you are in the Discord already. You are in the Discord. Chat, how long have I been streaming? Why does it feel like it's been forever? This sales end on... What? Fuck you. 20 minutes. Oh, never mind. What? What sale? There's no sale here. What time is anyway? It's 7 almost 8 p.m. I'm chilling though. It's been fun. Well, I have some stuff I have to do later. Like, I still haven't booked my flight to San Diego yet, but I will book my flight to San Diego tonight. And yeah, I think the thing is, I've been flying so much the past few years. I'm just so done with flying airplanes. Like, I hate it. Like, before I was like, oh my god, let's go on an airplane, it's so cool. I've been flying so much. Okay, it's such a privilege to say, but oh my god, it's so tiring. I must say, it's not that I have a first class or business class. It's so tiring, and you get so exhausted, and I have to fly so many times. Like, I literally fly. Okay, I don't know how I'm going, but I'm traveling so much. For 2 months, I'm traveling non-stop. I'll be so tired. Okay, chat. I'm gonna make a new channel. Oh no, maybe not. Because I know where to go. But oh shit. I will be in 4 hotels. I will be in 2 hotels in Hong Kong and 2 hotels in Vietnam. Let me look at the hotel actually. Wait. Okay, do you think I can show on stream or maybe not? Maybe I dox myself? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't show on stream though. Flying from Canada to US to, it's like 26. Yeah, like one flight Vietnam. My flight from Vietnam to San Diego is 26. 2 stops, chat. I did 2 stop once when I was flying back from Japan. Like, I was choosing a more cheaper one, so I flew through Paris and then Amsterdam, and oh my god, I was in Amsterdam. Like, I was streaming a little bit, right? No, I was not. I didn't stream. I did stream in Amsterdam. I did. Oh my god, remember, I streamed in Amsterdam airport. Yeah, I did. What the fuck? And then I was so dead. I was like going home, I was like, I had to sleep 3 days. Hack mullet, back shots. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, my hotel is okay. Let me look up the hotel actually. It's not that pretty. And I have to share with my brother. Okay. Fetch. I have to share it with my brother. Oh my god, there's a room for 4. Why were you not getting 4 people in a room? That's way better. Chat, I just hope that I just hope I have a good view. I swear if I don't have a good view, I'm gonna sue this. No, chat, I'm joking. I'm not gonna sue. But the hotel I'm in Hong Kong is okay. But where is the swimming pool? This is the swimming pool? Damn. I do have a swimming pool there. And I have a jacuzzi too. And I have a gym. Well, it's a 5-star hotel. But apparently in Hong Kong, 5-star is cheaper than everything. Cheaper than others. That's why we booked 5-star. Gym every day! Woo! I'm gonna bring my gym clothes with me. She's... It's not that far, Vermilion. More people sharing. Yeah, sharing with siblings. I want a room by myself. Joking. With parents together or like alone. That's better. Oh god. Okay. The next hotel. I could show you the pool side maybe. I mean, I don't feel like I'm big enough to have stalkers. So this is the pool side. Hong Kong, Vietnam. Yeah, it's Hong Kong, Vietnam, and California. Yeah, California, LA, and then New York maybe. I'm still like thinking about New York. Wait, better safe. Yeah, wait, better safe than sorry. You mean not show the pool? But the thing is, if I stream there, you will anyway see the pool, no? Okay. Wait, how come that you both are living in Germany, but you are more further away of Vermilion than Vermilion from me? Yeah, San Diego is so expensive. I'm so poor because of that. That's why we have this Donegal. No, but I already like this $226 is already like very helpful for me to pay a little bit of my hotel. But I will show you a cool time in like okay, chat. We're gonna talk again. So Hong Kong and Vietnam, I would try my best to stream the most I can. Like I did told my parents that there must be 1 or 2 days that I fully want to be alone, so I'm gonna walk alone, unless like some cousins want to come, because there will be a few cousins, like maybe 4 or something. But I will tell them like, hey, I have my plans, and I feel like my hobby, what I like, is so different than everyone. Like I like this more cooler cafe with good quality. I like not the touristy stuff, and I like local stuff, so you know what I mean. So I like to like every time I travel, I like to like live like a local. I don't want to, obviously I want to see touristy stuff too, but not every day, you know what I mean. So I told them I want to walk around alone, so that's the time when I stream. And if there's a streamer maybe in Hong Kong, that would be cool. But then also I want to go where I want to go, you know. There I already like saved some stuff that I want to go to, like cool cafes and hidden cafes, restaurants and stuff like that. But I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna search more when it comes closer. But I'm watching like Hong Kong vlogs right now, like a lot. I found some very cool YouTubers. Oh my god, they're showing so very cool stuff. And I also want to go and see the fashion industry / thrift stores in Hong Kong, because I haven't been in Hong Kong for so long. I have no idea how it look like. Not only that, we will go to Macau. We'll go to Macau for like 1 night, so I will stream one of the day, maybe half of the day. Like we're only there for 2 days. One we are going and one we are going back. So we just sleep like 1 night. So maybe one of each day I'm gonna stream. So we're gonna show you Macau a little bit if the internet there is good. Oh my internet! True, I need to see that too. And we go to Vietnam. And we'll be there in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. And let me see the hotel there. And also this is the pool. And Macau internet is alright to stream. Yeah, try to get the vibe more than anything. Yeah, the vibe, and obviously I will see stuff, but I want to go, you know, my hobby is anyway like coffee. Like I want to try the good coffee. Like what is Hong Kong coffee about? Obviously I will have like Hong Kong milk tea, Hong Kong teas, and the Hong Kong dessert. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Holy shit. Whoa. Wait, is this real? ちょっと待って. I just saw the hotel of the Vietnam one. I'm not gonna leave this hotel. I'm just gonna like watch the sunrise and sunset there. Pretty nice, yeah. Y'all go hang out outside. I'm gonna be at the hotel the whole time. Joking. Obviously not. Sash that I'm living. I know actually I'm there. Yeah, we will stream a lot. Hopefully there's no naked people there. No naked people, I can stream there. Oh my god, there's a massage! I'm gonna get a massage! I'm sorry. And also share a room with my brother. Where is my privacy? Where is my... I can walk around naked privacy? Okay. If this shower... If the shower is like this, I'm gonna... I hopefully not. This is a couple room. I cannot shower when my brother's watching me. Okay. Mom, Dad, what the fuck are you... Oh, what are you reserving here? Do they even know that the room is like this? Hopefully not. Why does all the hotel room has glass bathroom? Like you can literally see every single room is like this. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, sorry, I'm so loud. Okay, wait, look at this. Look at this. My privacy. Oh my god, there's not even a door. Where do I pee? Where's the bathroom? Wait, I cannot even go to the bathroom without someone hearing me. Yeah, it is a nice place, but not for me and my brother. Yeah, it's nice for a loner with couples. Give brother money to eat in the lobby. That would be not ideal, and I even need to ask my mom. And I mean, if that happens, I guess he's going to my... That's so annoying though, if you have to like go out all the time. Like, okay, let me go out real quick. Oh, okay, whatever. I sound like this privileged girl like complaining about a freaking hotel that is so nice. You know what? If he's pooping or something, I'm just gonna go to the rooftop and look at the view. I'm just gonna like explore, like I'm gonna get a massage or something, you know? Like, oh my god, I sound like this privileged girl. But okay, but the fact is, seeing your brother poop next to you, that's not fun, right? That's what I mean. It doesn't matter if you're we started streaming on the rooftop, brother must be pooping. At least it's your brother, not random. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Ex Machina. Damn, that's so fancy. No, that's like a very, it looks a very, I don't feel like the hotel room looks, it looks very like hotel. Hi Waking, and also Talisman, hello. Hi Waking, how are you? How are you? I'm just looking at the hotels of my travels in Vietnam. And also we're going to another point, Malibu Vung Tau. I don't know where that is. Let me check. So I think we are going to swim somewhere. It's like a we are going to a island, I think. We're going to a hotel somewhere in an island, and then we go swimming there. So we will have a beach day, I think. And that beach day is very cute, I think. Let me check. Is this even a beach? Do you swim here? I'm not quite sure if you swim here though. The sand doesn't look that nice. I mean, we will go swimming here, I think. It looks cute, but it looks packed and looks dirty. Wow, that looks good. Squid, I will stink. She also hits me. What? Japan spas were weird, but I got used to it. Seems some dudes washing each other. Yeah, that's normal. Like, no, that's normal. That's a very Japanese thing. Washing their backs each other. That's like an inside, kind of almost an inside joke for like other Asian countries. Like we always, like, if you are growing up in an Asian family that is not Japanese or not Korean, they were like, yeah, if you marry a Japanese guy, you have to wash their backs. Like, that's like an inside joke of everyone, because that's been a thing for a long time. Don't worry, it doesn't hit mods here because they're Oh, I saw a Japanese video if Americans spoke Japanese and I didn't understand it. Wait, what? What do you mean? Yeah, so this is like, it's kind of cute. I mean, it looks cute here. It's kind of like a holiday area. There is a way prettier place in Hong Kong to swim, which I saved it actually. I saved one on my maps. Let me go check. It's like an island in Hong Kong, like next to Hong Kong. And it's still Hong Kong though. Where did I save it? Oh, maybe not. Shit.